There's a break in the rain, so I'm going to take my chance and go for supplies. Supplies? Yeah. No, I'll leave that on. Right. Let's go for it, shall we? Monsoon season in India, or the Amazon. Right. Out with them too. Let's have a look. Well, I can't hear anything else from outside. Oh my God, yes. Let's take my chance. Right, where am I? Put that off. Leave my low watt. Oh my God, yeah, look at it. Be quick, you. Don't fart about. Oh God, this bloody. Oh, there we go. All right. Oh God, the darkness, the darkness. Yeah, stop raining completely. Oh, bloody slipping on my leaves here. Oh my God. I don't think this will last long. This certainly won't last long. Oh my God. So anyway, this is a Thursday night. Outside my street. Oh my God. I'm in all red there. I'm taking my life on my hands here. I normally make videos like this when there's no traffic about. Oh shit. Oh, hang on. I can see the International Space Station. So I think look at the state of this bloody trees here, right? Oh God. Talk about fucking walking down the road. Oh my, it's like all these slippery, the blood of October. God sakes. Bloody. Oh. The cars passing by, you do have a nice, hang on. Oh, excuse me, I just farted. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, rush hour, man. Well, not quite. God, look, it's all wet. Look, we got rivers. Going down here. It just stopped about half an hour ago. I thought, hang on, that sounds as if it's stopped for a while. So here I am. And by the way, I suppose some of you know I partake. And my sinful devil habit is beer and cigarettes. And just checking if I haven't forgotten anything. Well, the main thing is my bloody bank card. I'll get 20 quid out and from the cash point of the garage, and 8 cans of beer and a pack of 20 cancer sticks, of my favourite cancer sticks. They don't seem to be working, these cigarettes. God. I've been telling them for, well, I only started smoking after 30 now, right? 30 years of age. And I've been at it for almost 30 years. No sign of cancer at all. So these cigarettes aren't working. And as well as the beer, last liver test I had, fit as a fiddle. A liver of a 20-year-old. Why am I wasting all this money, eh? Why am I wasting all this money? You know. It's a con, isn't it? It's all a con. There's me trying to socially commit suicide by beer and cigarettes. And after 30 years, it got me nowhere. Oh, God. You know I'm taking the piss, aren't you? It's all a rubbish, man. Like, for instance, cigarettes. How can you get cancer on smoking a plant? Smoking a dried plant. It's a lot of nonsense, isn't it? Because they started this after World War II. Cigarettes and cancer, because you know what happened in 1945. A certain couple of bombs dropped in Japan. Well, they did testing before then in New Mexico, didn't they? Manhattan Project. And then the New World Order has been going on since fucking 1945. That's when it started. Right. People are catching cancers all of a sudden, they said in 1945. Well, soon after 1945. What can we blame this? I know. Smoking. Cigarettes. Yeah. And then these American cigarette companies got subsidies from the government. Fed them huge amount of subsidies. Philip Morris, Marlboro, and all the rest of them. And when all these claims were happening a few years ago, the government paid them, Philip Morris. And nothing about cigarettes. Nothing to do with cigarettes. It was, there we go. It's all to do with atomic fallout. The main one is strontium-90, the radioactive isotope strontium-90. So like this one that flies away. So if a nuclear bomb went off in Japan, give it a while, it'll reach the other side of the world on the winds and things like that, you know. They go on about COVID. Oh, that small potatoes COVID was. Nuclear age. Oh, Christ. Mankind, well, you could call it mankind, nothing to do with us. The amount, late 40s, 1950s, and God knows when. Russia, Jesus, they were setting off fucking bombs every day. Testing nuclear bombs every fucking... And then there was a fucking big fucker in Russia that set off a huge hydrogen bomb. Bloody hell, man. that part of Russia, nobody can live in because it's fucking totally irradiated. Irradiated. You know, this is, and, I was in the RAF right then. And we got educated about it all. But when I was in the RAF, when I joined NARO, Nuclear Reactor Organization, and it was all about transporting various things, whether it was from Aldermaston to that place in Scotland on a train. What's that place in Scotland called again? Around the corner. I can't remember. And as well as, Jesus Christ. Yeah, just in case the submarine nuclear missiles train came off the lines, we had to be ready in West England. Oh, Christ almighty. Oh, God, Bennett. What's that? I can't remember. The submarine port now around the corner from the Clyde from Glasgow. What the hell's it called now? Not Falstaff. That's bloody Shakespeare. Aye. So anyway, there's more traffic about at the moment. And it's not exactly the London South Circular. And shops are still open over there. Whew. Over 12 minutes. See that? That's the Crosshands Workingmen's Club. Crosshands Workingmen's Club. Once upon a time, that was packed every night. And look, there's hardly anybody there. Right. Right, and this is where I'm going to buy my beer anyway. All these. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's getting cold. Oh. My friend Paulie cleans. It's a nice little car, isn't it? It's a nice little flipping. Yeah. BMW Z4. Yeah. It's a nice one. Nice colour. Dark blue. Yeah. That's bloody nice, that. If I had a wife, and I was actually earning a fortune, I'd buy her one of them to go to the shops. For fuck's sake. Right, there's Paul about. What's the time now? Almost quarter past 9. Oh, what's his name is there? Oh, there's Paul. Hi, Paul.
Hi, mate.
You don't want to be online, do you?
No,
No, he doesn't want to be online. I'm just going to go to the cash bunch to see if we've got any cash back.
Okay.
This is Paul, my mate.
There's no cash machines in your mind.
Hmm?
No cash machines.
No, I know that. It's over in the garage. I saw you there. I saw I catch you. Yeah. Hey, we're playing New Zealand rugby. What day is it? Saturday.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh God. Hey, yeah. I think we can predict that result.
Yeah,
Oh my God, the bleach. I can smell the bleach.
I know.
That's a secret. Oh my God. How are you doing? Right, you don't want to be on it as well, do you?
You doing?
Just one of my videos.
You live streaming?
No, no. I go back on it. Do you want to be on it?
Do I have to sign a release form?
No?
I think I do.
No, you can sue me if you want.
I'll do that.
Hang on, you're not on it yet.
Huh?
That's my mate. He likes motorbikes.
Go on, pixelate.
Motorbikeing.
Can you pixelate my boots for me?
What's wrong with them?
Just pixelate them. I don't want to see.
I can't even. I'm not that clever, man.
Go on, do it.
No, you are. You don't appear on the screen. So on your voice. Is your voice? Whoop! Hang on. Oh, there we are. Oh, let me get out before it. Well, there you go. You heard the voice of a couple of them in there, and as I said, I got. Oh God! Oh, look at this. Jesus Christ! Avoid the puddles. Yeah. And it's been raining. So hang on. Oopsie daisy. Oh my God. Oh Jesus. Itch. Oh. Oh God. Wind and rain, look. Bloody. I think I mentioned the other day that the wind's blown it down. A coal mine sinker. That happened bloody 2, 3. Who's there? 2, 3 months ago. Oh yeah, that's my friend there. Right then, I'm at the garage now. Shop and walk. Shop and walk. Right. And this is my local pocket money. See if we've got anything I can get out. Right then, yeah. Prices are dropping slowly. Anyway, all the best though. I'll see you back home soon. Ta-da.